Today, a lot of fun and a lot of great discoveries and new adventures, I hope. Without further ado, let's go with the flow and uncover the Kep mysteries. And now today I welcome you to the beautiful and very nice Kampot. And now we're on the way to something called the plantation, which is a pepper farm. Hopefully we get there later. So without further ado, let's see. I already see one small cave, which was nice. Just some guy was waiting here and yeah, I wanted a guide, so obviously you have to negotiate, and I made it from $3, but it was nice. He was speaking French. Nice cave. You get some beautiful ray of lights coming in, and you have to crawl sometimes to walk inside. It was a nice adventure. And then as I was going to another cave, and I ended up here, which is some kind of, I don't know, Buddhist temple with a cave. And so what we're gonna do is take a look at this right now. Hopefully you like it. And then I had to go to the other cave. So come with me, just go with the flow and enter the Cave of Mysteries. Okay, let's go. So we are here at what's called the non-dock. Pretty small cave, but it's nice. You had some mystical aspect to it. You get inside and there's some kind of altar or small entrance of a temple, which may date from a long time ago. There was actually another one in the first cave. There were only bricks left because it was obviously destroyed by the Khmers. But this one is inside and yeah, it's nice. I think you might be able to go deeper in the cave if you take a guide at the entrance with a light. We're heading to the plantation. Just come with me and just go with the flow. Like a moment suspended in time. So, this is a bumpy road. Only a few kilometers and we're here. Hope it's not gonna rain, but I don't like the color of the sky, so come on, let's go and ride the air blade. First time I have a hair blade, so my microphone went out of battery and starts to rain again. We're starting off this morning with the famously known crab market from Kep. So So here we are with the boats and loading. Then I want to, if it's not raining, try to go to the national park. We see there's a nice walk around seems, so we'll do that. Then maybe go on to the beachfront, and so basically today is all about going around Kep. Right on the beach, coming directly from the sea. You cannot get more fresh than this, just coming out from the boat. Nice if you enjoy crabs, which is not so much my case. And right now I'm in Kep National Park. Head to the checkpoint number 1, and then you'll be able to come around, walk. There's actually a 8 kilometers loop that you can do walking around the park. I saw some monkeys, and most of all you get to see a beautiful viewpoint on the 2 sides of Kep, so let's check the view. You get this 360 view from this 12 meters tower. It's been a nice couple of days going around. As usual, if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and share your own experience. Give a thumbs up, it really helps. Thanks, and live your best life. Take care and go with the flow. Bye-bye.